Hello, mathematicians! Today, we're going to make multiplication facts super easy. We'll explore patterns, step-by-step practice, and related division facts so you can remember them fast. 3 times 1 equals 3, 3 times 2 equals 6, 3 times 3 equals 9, 3 times 4 equals 12. Look at the 3 times table. See the pattern? Each answer increases by 3. This is called repeated addition, 3 plus 3 plus 3 and more. Practicing this pattern makes multiplication easy. 3 times 4 equals 12, 12 divided by 3 equals 4, 12 divided by 4 equals 3. And here's a secret, mathematicians. You can use multiplication to find division facts. If 3 times 4 equals 12, then 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Multiplication and division are best friends. 5 times 1 equals 5, 5 times 2 equals 10, 5 times 3 equals 15, and 5 times 4 equals 20. Now, let's look at the 5 times table. Notice the pattern. 5, 10, 15, 20. Every answer ends in 0 or 5. Patterns like this make learning fun and fast. Remember, mathematicians, practice a little every day and watch the patterns. Soon, multiplication will become your superpower. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun math tips. See you next time!